What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have another look into the SUI price chart because we have some updates right here, and for me personally there is also a trading opportunity right around the corner. I will also tell you about this, and this time hopefully my order will be filled. You may remember it from the last updates that down in here I wanted to buy, but my order hasn't been filled because it didn't hit the entry and it was just 1 penny away. So let's hope for more luck the next time, and let me show you when the next time would be for me. So we have this descending triangle right here, and normally this is a bullish pattern. So what we normally see is that we are bouncing around in here, and then at some point we are doing the breakout and then moving higher. Right now we have bounced here off our vertical trend line support. We not exactly hit this, but then we also came here into our support zone. We basically have bounced off the bottom of this channel, and right now we are very close to reaching the top. Also, you can see right here that we have 2 resistance level right here. Currently we are in between, and right now we have of course the question, okay, when will be the next trading opportunity? And let me show you when this would be for me. So in case we are getting rejected right now, then I'm looking at this level right here. Let me quickly mark the zone in the chart. This is basically this zone right here that I'm currently looking at. Then we also have another possibility, and that is of course that we are not getting rejected. We are moving higher, and in the best case breaking this descending triangle and then doing a retest of this level. Then this would be my next buying opportunity in case we are moving higher from here. Also, let me quickly add some info right here, because there are some things that we need to see in context right here, and that is in case we are getting rejected and we are moving lower, then we could also bring the argument that we are not just dropping to this level, but potentially back down here to the trendline support, probably to this support, so in general to lower levels, and that then at some point we are then continuing the move higher and then retesting this upper band again. So this is a very valid argument because normally we see this bouncing around in this channel. So let me show you why I will already open my order here, and that is because when we see a breakout, let me get a new arrow here. So when we are getting a breakout, then it happens often that we are not moving down to the lower band, but instead we are taking a hold somewhere in the middle at a support and then making the next attempt and then breaking out. There is a very good example in Zeno right here. So here we had an ascending triangle. This is normally a bearish pattern, but you can see right here we have also bounced around in this chart until this point where we have just come a little bit, pretty exactly to the middle, and then we did the breakout of the channel. But that is of course not the only reason why I'm saying that potentially we will drop to this level right here, and that is also my next entry. There is also another reason, and that is that you know that I also always take a look into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is leading, and if Bitcoin is strong, likely also the altcoins are strong. And then you can also see that it is more likely that we are bouncing from support levels. And in Bitcoin, what we can see right now is that we had this major resistance right here that is from the old all-time high that we had right here. And you can see that we have bounced off this level several times as it was support. Then we have broken this level, and then we got rejected from this level several times until yesterday. Yesterday we made the daily candle close above this resistance level, which is showing that Bitcoin is getting stronger. And as long as this remains, so as long as Bitcoin remains above this support level right here. As long as this is the case, my buying opportunities remains the same. That means if we go to the downside, the first one will be here. If we go to the upside and doing the retest of the upper trend line, then this is my buying opportunity. As I said, very important, as long as Bitcoin stays above the current support level. In case Bitcoin falls below the support level, then we have to readjust, and then potentially I will not buy in this zone right here, but rather than back when we are getting to the lower levels. But as always guys, in case there should be any changes, I will upload a new video, so make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss this. And in case you have any questions, feel free to post them down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.